heyitsfei. Welcome to a day in my life in this beautiful home. We're gonna get ready really fast and make some bomb-ass lunch. I have this idea I really want to try. And you know what's been on my mind? Learning a K-pop dance today. So, I know you guys love K-pop dances. Let's do it! 2021, what's different? My hair. You guys watched my hair done video. I have like gray grandma hair. But one other thing I've been doing differently, I've been using hair rollers. A lot of people on my vlog channel actually asked for the brand, so I use the T3. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It is kind of expensive. Is it worth the money? I don't know. I don't have any other rollers to compare it to. So my part today got a little curve to it, like how I wish my ass was built. When the dot is white, it's ready to use. So last night I started a new Netflix show with my boyfriend and it's called Bling Empire. It's kind of interesting how rich these Asians are. And I started to think how amazing it would have been if I was born right into money. Don't we all wonder how that feels like? Damn, shit oily. Ooh. Now that we look like Bretman Rock, let's do our makeup. Well shit, can't. Look what the wind did. I'm gonna do my makeup right there. This table is gorgeous. It's pretty heavy. I tried moving it by myself. I almost bring my back. Using my relief cream. I'm almost out. Oh my gosh. Feels so nice. I love this primer. When I wear other primers and have foundation on, I still see the little holes in my nose. That's how big my pores are. A couple years of damage. This Tatcha one and the Fenty primer works the best on my skin. So if you're like me, you can still see your pores when you have makeup on. Tatcha. I didn't bring a mirror. Rookie. Cover the stash. I love this Jouer concealer. Would you date me? Come on, give me that nose bridge. Best mascara ever. Roller number 1. Count. Ooh. Now the thing is, can you see how the back is a little bit like wonky and creased? I always have to go back and fix it with a hair straightener. Well, I didn't expect the front to curl that much. So now you're ready. See, I'm gonna have to fix this creasing. It's like I have hat hair. Now we're ready. I'm so funny. My hair is so oily right now, it's not cute. I don't have dry shampoo. Much better now. This is how my hair turned out. I feel like my hair would be prettier if it was like washed, but this will do too. Better than nothing. Just quickly, this is the OOTD again. This tank I got from Yes Style. It shows way too much of my side. It is a little tight and small, not gonna lie. So I threw on this cardigan, which is from Chew. This is the off-the-shoulder cardigan, and then I just have some of my track pants on from Urban Outfitters. This is a little wonky because I accidentally straightened it down too much. You see how this one flails open? Yeah. Well, this one don't. Normally my hair is like way more cooperative, but today, this is what we're getting. Still cute, right? I'm gonna cook lunch now. Pretty hungry, but I gotta charge you really fast. Hello, hello. Hear me out. I bought some kimchi from Kroger's because that's the closest grocery store to us. Oh my god, I'm gonna make kimchi jjigae. Instead of beef or pork, I'm gonna put chicken. Don't come for me. This is how I alternatively do it because that's all I have in my fridge. Yeah. Again, very odd. I don't think you put chicken in your kimchi jjigae. Just last night, I was like, oh wait, I don't have red pepper paste. I don't have soy sauce. I don't have fish sauce. I don't have sugar. I don't have anything. I don't have garlic. What did I do? Help me. Okay, let's make kimchi ramen. I have shin ramen, but then I didn't want to spoil myself. I've been working so hard. Well, it's been like 2 days. How about this? This is tofu shiitake noodles. This whole package is only for 20 calories. I could make this. I can use the seasoning. I could put kimchi in it to make it like a kimchi ramen, and I can add chicken. Oh my god. I need veggies. So then, I bought a whole pack of veggies the other day. I forgot all about it. So I'm gonna make a stir-fry veggie on the side. This is a whole meal. Never been so excited for lunch. First, we're gonna wash our hands and then prep everything. I just rolled up my sleeves and now I look like this. I feel bad for wasting this ramen, but like, slice up my chicken breast into smaller bite-sized strips. So these slices are a little thicker, so I'm just gonna dice them in half. We got our chicken. Okay. Just in case. again. Sorry guys, I'm just so excited to eat, you know. Ignite this beach. And we're gonna put it on medium. We're gonna add in the chicken when the water is boiling and ready to go. Oh, we have to rinse these. They're stinky. If you guys ever tried miracle noodles or shiitake noodles, they stink. Like those bitches stink. Oh shit, can't. Girl, you stink like the sea. Yeah, it smells like fish. Sometimes down there. Can't believe this is 20 calories. The water is simmering, about to boil soon. I'm gonna actually put this in last because these cook pretty fast. Okay, this will work perfect. Don't worry about putting in your soup seasoning in yet or your ramen seasoning in because we're gonna have to skim the top for all the nasties. Wow, she's a whole chef out here. Ignite, medium. Swivel this around a bit. Comes with the sauce, the teriyaki sauce in here. Probably save it in case my brother. My boyfriend, in case me and Bubba want to use it for dinner. I'm totally okay with just regular stir fry and literally like salt and pepper. Natural flavors. Ow! My chest! Veggies are in. I'm about to put in the kimchi. I'm gonna pour some juice in. I'm gonna take this. Only using half this pack. Okay, I'm gonna crack my egg in. Oh yeah! Oh, our noodles! Everything in. That's gonna fill me up. And you. To be honest, it doesn't look as appetizing. And to be honest, I think I used a little bit too much water. These are my veggies on the side. They look amazing. I wilted it down a little bit more. Honestly, I did use a little bit too much water. You can just tell how watery it looks. Not too shabby, not too shabby. You could totally taste the sourness from the kimchi. A little bit of that spice from the seasoning. Healthy meals. Tastes like stir fry. Let's try the noodles. Honestly, I could have went with just half the pack. Didn't know what I was thinking. I was just thinking the more food I can get with 20 calories. Shiitake tofu noodles taste exactly like the konjac miracle noodles. It has more of a jelly chew to it. I think if you get used to it, you'll like it. Yeah, look at that. Add a little bit of kimchi, a little bit of chicken and egg, and soup. I'm barely eating my chicken. I'm enjoying the noodles too much. So I realized yesterday's lighting was not good because all you could see was a silhouette of a panda dancing because of the lighting, obviously. So here I am, day 2, learning twice. I can't stop me. I'm good. Don't be too shocked, I know. vlog. Okay, I give up on dancing. I need to tie up my hair because it's completely sweaty right now and I don't like it. My closet's an absolute mess. I feel so much better, less sweaty. So much for rollers today, huh? I want Gatorade, but I feel like we have cold. Yes! My boyfriend always puts his water and drinks in the fridge so they're nice and cold. I gotta steal them. That is so good.
Damn. Damn.
Big dog lick. Wow. He said, do this to the camera. The grease in this can cook 3 eggs. We're gonna enjoy an episode of Bling Empire. Damn, boy, let me see them. Pretty. Spider-Man. I'm off to the shower. We had a good workout and also dinner. Let me know if you guys enjoyed today's random daily vlog. Like this video. Until next time, I'm sending love.